Hi everybody, it's Tim at Engine Factory. Just finished building this beautiful 331 Ford Stroker 415 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1966 Mustang. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. Again, we got the 331 Ford power forged pistons in there, double roller timing chain, brand new timing cover, brand new balancer, roller lifter camshaft in there, aluminum cylinder heads on there, Taylor ignition wires, made in USA. All the wire markers on there. Proper oil pan for the 66 Mustang, front sump oil pan. We have the oil pressure extension installed for easy hookup. Heavy duty Russell fuel lines, inline gas filter, all the fittings installed. High flow fuel pump. Brass freeze plugs. Engine block painted the Ford blue. It's real nice Ford racing valve covers with the Ford Mustang air cleaner. Distributor set in place, MSD ignition coil, aluminum intake manifold, quick fuel carburetors on there, throttle return spring, throttle cable bracket and ball, manifold vacuum fittings installed for easy vacuum hookups. We have the clutch equalizer bracket installed for the Mustang right there. Proper standard flywheel, 66 Mustang, proper tooth count and balance for the 331 Ford. Pilot bearings installed. We have the proper thermostat housing and thermostat installed. Lower hose on the passenger side, correct for the 66 Mustang. Customer's running 4-bolt crank pulley, so that's proper. Every engine is live run at the engine factory for over 45 minutes. You'll get a video of your engine running in the stand. Manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot. Timing will be set, the carburetor fully adjusted, all tuned, complete, drop in, ready to go. So there you have it again, our 331 Ford 415 horsepower turnkey engine for a 66 Mustang. Thanks for watching.